Okay, so we have 9 to the power x equal to 3. What is the value of x? Okay, so we can write 9 like this, 3 to the power 2, and x is already there, so 3 to the power 2x is equal to 3 to the power 1. So since the base is equal, so we can cross these out, they can divide out, so we have 2x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 1 over 2. Now since 9x is equal to 3, let's check if this is correct. So this will be 3 squared into x is 1 over 2, which should be equal to 3 to the power 1. Let's see if this is true or false. 2 cancels out, so 3 to the power 1 is equal to 3 to the power 1, or 3 is equal to 3. So this is x to the power 1 over 2 is the correct answer.